Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Roshan Academy. Here we are going to discuss about the spinning method for the fabrication of nanostructure. This is a physical method of bottom-up approach. I have already told you in the previous videos that which methods are included in bottom-up and which are in top-down. You can see the previous videos for that. Okay, in spinning method, there we form metallic fibers of nanoscale range, and this method include two things, that is syringe and the metallic collector. The syringe is charged negative and the metallic collector or the cylinder is charged positive. It forms Taylor cone when the polymeric solution coming out of the syringe. How it forms, I will tell you. And here we have to maintain high voltage, that is 50 kilovolt. The solution that is coming out of the syringe will have a diameter of 100 nanometer. In this diagram, we can understand it very easily that how this process occur. Here is syringe that has polymeric solution. Here is syringe pump. This syringe pump, if pushes syringe forward, the polymeric solution will come out of there. It is also negatively charged. The surface tension of liquid is balanced with this electrostatic forces of attraction, and it forms Taylor cone when the liquid is coming out of there, like the Taylor cone. I hope you have studied it before. The Taylor cone is actually like this, and here the charged particles that are spread onto the surface of solution. Okay, these are the negatively charged particles that surround it onto the surface of Taylor cone. This actually looks like when the solution coming out of the syringe. Okay, so this solution then don't go straight, it go like this and then deposit onto the rotating cylinder. This cylinder is actually rotating all the time and it is oscillating metallic collector. Here the polymeric solution then deposit onto this collector, and then we can remove this fiber after drying it. And here is how this process occur. I hope you understand it. Thank you.